if n permutation 3 minus 6 times n combination 4 equal to 0, we're asked to find n. Okay, so we solve. Let's make it, okay. We can write this as n permutation 3 equals, this goes over here, is now 6 times n combination 4. To combination, we'll convert combination to permutation, but I will prefer converting combination to permutation. So we have n permutation 3 6 times. If you could remember that n permutation r over n combination r is r factorial. So which implies that n combination 4 is now n permutation 4 over r factorial, which is 4 factorial. Do you get? Relate this formula with this. So making this the subject of formula combination. So it's now n permutation r over r factorial. Now r is 4. So we continue. And this means n factorial over n minus 3 factorial. This means 6 times, okay, 6 over 4 factorial is 24. That's 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Why n permutation 4 is n factorial over n minus 4 factorial. This is gone. So we have, and we can write n factorial gone, n factorial gone. This 1, this 4. So we can write n minus 3 factorial as, remember, this is 1 over n minus 3 times n minus 4 factorial. If you could remember that n factorial is the same thing as n times n minus 1 factorial. So that's what I used here. This is now 1 over, remember this is 4, so 6 over 24 is 1 over 4, n minus 4 factorial. So we'll cancel out. So this n minus 4 factorial gone, n minus 4. So we are left with, you cross multiply, we are left with 4. That's 4 n minus 3. So we have that n is 4 plus 3. Our answer is 7. Our n is 7, which is C. In a department, a lecturer recommends 11 books, of which 5 are mathematics and the rest are physics. Each student is required to read a selection of 5 books from the list, including 3 or more of mathematics. 3 or more of mathematics. How many selection of 5 will satisfy the requirements? Okay, we need to be careful here. Remember, we have 5 maths. The rest are physics, so we have 6 physics, making it a total of 11 books. So if a student, remember they said it's including 3, the person has the choice to read either 3 or more of maths books. So the person reads either 3 maths books or 4 or 5 of maths. So, and if you read 5 maths books, remember they told them to select 5 books, meaning there is no physics. And if you read 4 maths books, we now select only 1 physics. And if you read 3, we select only 2, making it a total of 5 books. So meaning that, remember, this combination. So we have to select maths and physics. So if I select, we have a total of maths 5, total of physics 6, and we have to select, assuming we select 3, physics will select 2. That's the first condition. Or if I select, remember, 5 marks, and we have 5 and 6 physics books. So if I select 4, means that I will select physics 1. Or if I select 5 marks books, I need to select no physics. So that's the three conditions. So we have from here, you know, in mathematics all means add, so we need to find this, add it to this and this, and you know this is okay. 5 combination 3 is 5 factorial over 5 minus 3 factorial, which is 2 factorial, 3 factorial, times 6 factorial over 6 minus 2 is 4 factorial times 2 factorial, plus 5 combination 4 means 5 factorial over 5 minus 4 factorial times 4 factorial, which is 4 factorial, times 6 combination 1 is 6, and this is 1 times 1 because this is 1 time, this is 1, so this is plus, sorry, so this is plus 1. 5 factorial that is 5 times 6, but this is 5. Why here we have 5 factorial over, that's 5 times 4 over 2 times this times, because 5 times 4 times 3 factorial gone, so we have 6 factorial here is 6 times 5 times 4 factorial, but 4 factorial gone, so we have over 2. So we have 5 times 4 over 2 is 10. So 10 times 15. 10 times 15 plus 30 plus 1. So we have 150 plus 30, 180 plus 1. We have 181. So our answer is D.